This video, I want to show you how you can upload high quality videos and images to your WhatsApp without losing the original quality. So without further ado, this is what we're going to do now. We're going to go over to WhatsApp. Now this is WhatsApp. Now the conventional way to do things is this. Now let me go back here. Now, if you want to send something on WhatsApp, this is how you do it. Normally, you go over to your status, all right, and then you click, all right, you click, and let's say this is what I want to add, like this. Okay, this is what I want to send. So you just go ahead and then you click on send, and then this image or maybe a video will be sent to your WhatsApp status. That's the way to do it, the way you normally do it. And most of the time you will discover that the quality is reduced. It's not like the original. So how do you make it look very cool? So let me send this. How do you make it look very cool so that the quality is retained very okay? All right, so that is the conventional way. The same thing, if you want to send a video, you just pick it like this, and then you go to your video and you send the video. Okay, so now I want to show you how you can do it better. Now on your WhatsApp, if you click on this button here, this guy there, it's going to show you your contact list. Okay, so you would see here, that you can send a message to yourself. All right, you can send a message to yourself. So that is where you're going to open. So click on it like this. So you are opening it. It's more like you messaging yourself on WhatsApp. Now, I've done several videos on tricks that can happen when you message yourself. So, but you can check it on my WhatsApp playlist. You will see them. Like for example, if you want to record an audio on your status for more than 30 seconds, even up to 12 minutes, you can record it here and send to your WhatsApp. But right now I'm going to show you how to upload high quality images. But before that, let me go and upload a normal image. All right, so I'm going to go over here. I'm going to upload a normal image. So let me go to gallery. Let me look for an image that I can upload. Let's go with, all right, so let's go with this. Now this is the image. You can see how it is like this. All right, I'm uploading it without the trick uploaded. It has been uploaded. We're going to check to see the difference. So that image now is this one I've uploaded. Okay, this one is uploading. Okay, you can see it now. You can see how it is blur. All right, so let me use the trick and then you see the difference. So I'm going to click here. I'll go to message myself. All right, it's always there on your WhatsApp. Message yourself. Click on this part here. Click on gallery, then locate the image, the high quality image. Locate it on your phone. All right, so I'm locating it now. I think this is it. So I've located the image. Now there are two things you can do. You can quickly go ahead and click here. If you do that, you make a mistake. But to get it right, just go ahead and you will see HD here. All right, you see HD. So click on the HD. HD means high definition. That is high quality, high definition. So when you click on HD, you're going to see two options here. You will see the standard quality. This standard quality is the one that WhatsApp would just the way I uploaded it on WhatsApp, the quality will be reduced a little. So that is what I call standard quality. All right, then apart from that, you will see this one here that says HD quality. All right, this HD quality. Now the HD quality is the high version. If you read here, you will see a message here saying that HD photos are clearer. Standard photos are less storage space and are faster to send. So if you want to save space and you want your photo to send very fast, then you should use your standard. But if you are concerned about high quality, you want your photo to be very clear, then you should use HD. So I'm going to choose HD here. Now I have chosen HD. Look at it. Now the way it is like this, that is the way it's going to be sent to your status. But before then, let's send it first to this guy. You send it like this. Now you see the quality is still very sharp. Okay. Now once you send it like this and you want to send it to your status, you are not going to do this. You hold it like this, all right, and you click on forward. These are very, very important steps. Click on forward like this, all right. You click on forward and you would wait. Now right here where you have message, you can add your message, your caption, all right, because after sending you can't add caption again. A clearer version of the same picture after using this trick. All right, so just the way it is like this, once you've typed what you want to type, all right, you can now, let's go back, then you can click on where you want to send it. So right there, I'm going to click on my status. So you click on it like this once, then after that you click on this guy here, send. All right, so I'm going to click on send now. Click on send. Now this image is sending. Now it's sending to my status. Now once it's sent, I'm going to show you now the difference. So let's go to my status now. So this is it. Now this is the first one I sent. Let's know, we can't compare this one, so let's look at this. Now look at this. Can you see this is the first one without applying that trick? Then this is the second one when the trick has been applied. Can you see? Can you see that it is just the way it is clear? That's this is it. This is before. You can see that it's blurry. You can no longer zoom again. It's blurry. And this is after. This is it. You see? So you can see this how you apply it to your design. Sorry, to your status. Don't forget to watch the video to the end. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find this very helpful, please leave a comment for me and tell me how much value you got. And don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. My name is Niamuda. I have other WhatsApp tricks in the comment that would help you, in the description and in the comment that will help you. Please watch them.